Hello guys, in today's video I will show you the best Shopify apps for clothing store. Also, if you haven't done that yet, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and if you did, let's dive in with the first one. The first one is a really simple but a thing that's great for the beginners. It's Shopify Forms. But you will see that it's actually Shopify Form, but it is still a great app for the new beginners before they try something bigger. As you can get from the name, when people do any kind of shopping from your store, this Shopify Forms app just gives them a little form on the cheek here, as you can see, just one like this. And that way, you can actually learn more about your customers, see what they prefer, what they want and everything. And that really helps. Also, it tracks performance like submissions, completion rates, and everything. The only problem with this, it's actually the only thing that can create one form. So it's not like forms, more like a form. It gives you one form, but it's free and it's really beginner friendly. So I would just suggest you try using this. And when you learn more about it, maybe get something a little more professional. And with that out of the way, we can try something more eco-friendly. With the EcoCart's carbon neutral orders, you can actually offset the carbon emission for online orders. It gives people an option to actually make their order carbon neutral because of the whole carbon footprint thing. Yes, this is a solution for just that. First of all, this is a great transparency tool because, of course, people should know how much carbon emission they might cause. And with this option right here, as you can see with this option as well, yes, this is great, and this helps them offset the option of their carbon footprint. It also has great reviews, and for any user that uses it, yes, it's actually helpful with their multi-page sustainability experience and their general checkout options. For our third one here, it's a really simple but effective tool. It's geolocation. This is basically just a tool that you can use to understand where your purchasers and your customers come from and give them according recommendations based on that. And the best way about it is that it actually works with any kind of Shopify theme, and it's really easy to set up. So if you're just a beginner, this app is perfect for you because you might have a great product, but if you just give it to the wrong people and if you just advertise it for the wrong population, it might not work out that great. So yes, with this you will be able to let your visitors select their country and their language, so it will be perfect. It will give them personalized recommendations, and it will automatically detect and match your online store's theme colors based on those. And of course you will be able to always change them, but yes, these recommendations are mostly good. And yes, even though there can be problems sometimes with the conversion rates and everything, depending on your pay system, this might not be a problem for you. Just check it in the previews before you do anything to make sure it is okay in your Shopify page. And another one is just Shopify Inbox, maybe one of the most oldest of the Shopify apps. And yes, even though from all those years it didn't change much, but it's still one of the best ones that you can use for such a simple solution out there. It basically gives you a live chat option with your customers and everything. So just other than using the old email system like Future, you will be able to do a live chat like similar Future to actually go with more customers. You will be able to show them more products from the chat and even get customers instant reviews and answers for any other thing. So yes, you will be able to accommodate their needs much better, and that will lead to having better experiencing customers. The best way about this is actually something they say. When they talk with you, you became more humane, and when you are more humane, that leads to more sales. So yes, you should always talk live with your customers to give them a more of a secure feeling. Also, the reviews for this is great as well, and everyone thinks it's helpful. So yes, if you have a Shopify shop, yes, you should use this. But if you think having a Shopify live talk is not enough, you can always have Shopify email as well to get a better and more traditional experience. This one is really old as well, but of course just well known like the others. If you are not the one for live chats, and of course maybe you can't do live chats because of your time restrictions and everything, this helps you connect with customers and build lasting relationships with them using email. But still inside Shopify, so for any Shopify user, it feels much safer and much more secure. It will let you create branded emails in simple minutes like with their drag and drop editor, and use sales-focused templates that show products, prices, checkout links, and even more directly taken from your store, so there is no any misunderstanding or anything like it. And even with that, it is still free for up to 10,000 emails. So yes, it's great. And after that, it's only $1 per 1,000 emails. So yes, it's not that expensive. And this is more of a specialized app called LinkPop. This is not a direct Shopify app, but an app that is more focused on other websites that help you get more sales, like bios and links in bios in your social pages. Anything like Instagram, Facebook, and anything like it. Yes, LinkPop will help you turn your social bios into a storefront using a customizable link in bio tool. You will be able to curate your own content, change it, analyze your traffic, and sell products through only one link, so it will be super easy to use, and you will still be able to see what other people, your followers, your likers, are clicking on, buying anything from your page. You will be able to put photos, videos, podcasts, music, and everything. And yes, their shareable link is for any platform like Instagram, TikTok, or any place that has a specialized bio page for you. So yes, if you have a Shopify app and you use other social media platforms for, of course, ad reasons, you should definitely have LinkPop and of course use it to its fullest. And our last one is Helpful Product Reviews app. This app claims to unlock the full power of your e-commerce store with their product reviews, business reviews, ChatGPT, and of course Q&A, which is of course the best part. This app is basically to create a better social media page for yourself, because whenever someone buys your products and of course makes a comment about it, this app will help you just collect those comments and of course good personalized reviews after purchase to actually give your page a more better beautiful look. It will show them with nice widgets, with displays, and of course with better looking visual, just like this one. You're having your product on here with any platform that looks amazing and of course more enticing for other people to buy. Also, having an AI on your site that's like ChatGPT and of course their own softwares and everything will definitely help you drive traffic to your store, and of course that will lead to more purchases. But other than that, that was basically it. We hope you liked the video, guys, and if you have any other questions you can always ask them down in the comment section. Have a great day and goodbye.